Hello friends. Will AI kill jobs? This is the burning question of millions of people, more specifically student community as well as their parents, because they believe that AI will kill their job opportunities and all that. Actually, this is unanswered or not properly answered question. Now I want to tell you the truth, nothing else, only truth. Actually, it is not so simple to answer. My answer also is both yes and no. Actually, not only answering this question, I will tell you how to grab great opportunities using AI skills and all that. Just a matter of 6 months on your own. No programming background is required. Simply sitting at your home daily 3 4 hours if you prepare, you will become industry ready in AI field. That is my promise. Actually, before that, you must understand certain facts. You must know certain facts. Actually, AI is applicable to almost all domains in the world. For example, it is applicable for a student as well as a teacher. It is applicable for a engineer as well as doctor. It is applicable a trader as well as a broker. It is applicable for a musician as a magician. It is an unending list and all that. Because of AI skills and all that, humans can improve their efficiencies. It never replaces the human. That point you have to, don't afraid of that. It never replaces the human. Because of AI skills, one can improve their speed, accuracy, as well as productivity. Now you understand the truth. Not only understanding truth and all that, how you can transform, beat the crisis and transform them as a golden opportunities for your career. Does AI eliminate job opportunities? For this, my answers are not two, they are three. No, yes, sure, yes. Now I explain. First one, AI does not eliminate any job opportunities. Second one, AI may or probably eliminate job opportunity. Third one, it is 100% sure AI eliminate your job opportunities. It depends how you adapt to AI determine a job's future. I already told you, AI is applicable to almost all domains in the world. Now I explain the first opportunity. No, that means there is no job risk. AI does not eliminate your job. For that purpose, what you have to do? Whatever job you do, you must adapt to AI. That means you have to learn AI, you have to upgrade your skills, you have to amplify your capabilities. In such case, you are 100% safe. There is zero risk. And one more, you may get better opportunities also because of AI skills. Now I explain the second alternative. Yes, there is a probable risk. Always you are under the threat of AI. When? If you don't adapt to AI skills, that means you ignore AI, stick to the old methods and all that. At any time, AI may eliminate your job. That's why be careful. Now I explain the third alternative. Sure, yes. That means 100% risk to your job. There are certain professions, namely, for example, content writers, graphic designers, translators, etc., and all that. Why those are under risk? Actually, all these services are provided by AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. for free with a high quality. In no time, they generate results. Then, in such case, who will take your services? That's why my sincere advice to these people who are in these professions and all that, better move to other professions for their safety and career security. Nowadays, the society, especially the student community as well as their parents, are afraid of AI revolution because they believe that AI kills their job opportunities and all. That is not true. Actually, if you consider four landmark historical events and all that, you wipe off, you drive away the fear and all that, filled your mind with confidence. Actually, AI gives you golden opportunities. That point I'm going to explain. First one is industrial revolution. Because of industrial revolution, society felt that missions will destroy their jobs, but it never happened. The reality is, because of industrial revolution, production is terribly multiple times increased and all that. Because of that, prices lowered and demand increased. That leads to increasing the job opportunities and all that. And the standard of living of the society is greatly increased. Second one, electricity. Electricity also same. People feel that it creates a lot of chaos and all that, and a danger also they expected and all that. But in reality, electricity empowered the society. For your information, it increased the production many times. As I told you already, because of that, prices were lowered, demand was increased, standard of living was increased, job opportunities were increased. Third one, computers. And one more point I have to tell you. Every unit of electricity generation leads to the increasing GDP of the country. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, computers. Actually, when computers were introduced, many people feel that it is the end of the thinking jobs and all that. It never happened because whatever are repetitive jobs and all that, it is eliminated. It made it automatic and all that. Whatever job, repetitive job you spend 5 hours time, within 5 seconds it is being done and all that. Because of again the same thing, cost of production is reduced and other consequences already explained. Thereafter, internet. Internet, actually people feel that because of internet, destroy opportunities and all that, but it never happened. The reality is it expanded opportunities. It expanded greater opportunities which were not existing earlier. That point you have to understand. The current issue is AI and automation. Actually, if you think in the direction, definitely it showers golden opportunities for you and all that, provided you follow suit. For that purpose, what you have to do? If you are static and all that, you destroy your career on your own. But if you are a little dynamic and follow suit, then you can grab the greater opportunities. That point you have to understand and proceed. In this video only, I give a briefing about what to do, not to do, and all that. Thereafter, I will release a detailed video on the roadmap to encounter a crisis in order to empower yourself and get ready to grab great opportunities and all that. You should believe IT careers are not dying. And old thinking is dying. Old thinking or old study plan is like a expired medicine. That point you have to understand. Even today, 95% of the students are pursuing the old study plans and all that. Those are like expired medicine, no more valid. So what you have to do? You have to update your study plan. What is your study plan and all that? I tell you, you need not join any institution or all that. Right from your home, you can prepare just within 6 months you will become industry ready. I am promising you, you will become industry ready in the AI domain. That point you have to understand. Then you can grab IT job opportunities as you wish. In this context, you must understand the impact of COVID. COVID not only changed the medical system, it drastically changed the hiring patterns of the company. That point we have to understand. Here, just I give you a briefing. Earlier, before COVID, companies used to ask, did you study? And now, what they are, can you solve? Did you study? Can you solve? Find the difference and all that. Earlier, companies were considering your marks, courses, ranks, memorized programs, etc. and all that. Now, companies are thinking of remote work, not local work, remote work, and global competition, AI assistance. These are the present considerations of the companies for hiring. In this context, you must understand that drastic changes occurred in the hiring patterns of companies. Earlier, they used to hire local people and they promote local talents and all that. Nowadays, it drastically changed. Companies can hire talent from anywhere globally because remote work facility is there. And earlier they used to take candidates from colleges and all that. They used to give training to equip them to suitable for their requirement and all that. Those days have gone. Now companies need contributors. Means ready-made. Logically, this is like earlier people used to purchase cloth and getting it stitched. Nowadays they are purchasing ready-made dresses. By that, what you have to understand, career didn't become harder. Expectations have become practical. That point you have to understand. This is the matter of your career, means your life. So you should not take it lighter. You must understand all the relevant facts. relating to hiring patterns of the company before COVID and after COVID. That I am going to explain in detail. Therefore, you must understand the changes in hiring patterns of the companies before COVID and after COVID. There are five crucial points that you have to focus. Before COVID, degrees mattered. Now, ability matters. That point you have to understand. Before COVID, course completion is very important. Now, skill demonstration, whatever may be your course, if you are able to demonstrate your skills and all that, you will be hired. No doubt about that. There are earlier local competition, they prefer local candidates and all that. Now, global competition because remote work facility is there. That's why wherever talent is available, they hire. Their fourth one is training period. Companies used to give training. There was a training period and all that. Then they want ready-made candidates, meant immediate productivity is expected. Earlier, knowledge valued. If you have knowledge and all that, it is a plus point. Now thinking, your thinking pattern, your problem solving abilities and all that are given high value. So you must understand, students are not failing. They are just preparing for wrong exam, means outdated syllabus and all that. According to me, 95% of students still following the outdated system. That is the basic reason they are going to purchase their own headache. Actually, if you want to become a professional and all that, it's not a great thing. Just a 6 month period you earmark and prepare according to my directions and all that. I don't expect any background. Your commitment and computer is a basic requirement. That point you have to understand. Before that, first to decide you want to become as an AI professional or AI tool user. If you want to become AI tool user and all that, there are dozens of systems in the world. You can follow them, pursue those courses and all that. If you want to become as an AI professional and all that, I give you a clear roadmap. Just I give 1 month, 1 minute briefing here. This is the Python tree. Python is the base that you have to understand. If you want to become AI professional, first you will be well versed with the AI ecosystem that is provided by the core Python. Through ecosystem, you can improve your thinking abilities, problem solving skills, and domain understanding and all that. This is the basic requirement and all. Thereafter, Python supports more than 10 technologies and all that. Out of that, two technologies. One is data science, other one is artificial intelligence. I provide you the training. Once you are well versed with the ecosystem or core Python, then rest of the thing, just 4 months, you can learn and master, not just learning, learn and master in Indianized organic way. This is perfectly suitable for the Indian students and all that. For that, you don't need to go to any institution. From your home, whatever you do, daily if you are able to spend 3 to 4 hours and weekly, monthly, maximum 100 hours and all, you can successfully complete this course and you will become 100% industry ready candidate. No doubt about that. This is Ekalavya Students.